Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a new Jackknife sofa and dinette cushions in our RV. Stay tuned, follow along, and enjoy the show. Okay, to get the old couch out, first we have to do is take these screws out of this piece of angle which is mounting the couch to the floor. So that's where we'll start. Come on down. There we go. Okay, we've got all the screws loose from the two pieces of metal. Now we got to flip the couch over to see about disassembly to get it out of the camper. That's what we're fixing to do. It appears the back and bottom are bolted to the frame with these bolts. So we'll start by taking those off to get the back and bottom loose, and we'll go from there. Back off. Get this out of the way, and we'll start working on the bottom. To get the bottom loose, it's the same procedure, but you got to lift it up to be able to get to them. Okay. Our next step will be take these 4 screws off, holding the armrest on. Alright, let's see if we can get this frame out. There's the front. And the frame is pinched, I'm going to have to cut it loose. Okay, right here, when they was assembling it, they pinched some of the fabric, so I'm just going to cut the fabric loose. Like so. You can see it right here was pinched with them screws. The screws attaching the cross brace to the ends is behind this fabric, so I got to cut a chunk of the fabric out to access the screws. Alright, here we go. Broke, but you can see the 3 screws or 4 screws in this point right here. Okay, that's all of those, so this should just fall over like so. That's that. And we'll pull the angle brackets off to reuse on the new couch. With that, the old couch is disassembled. We can take it off to the road and begin assembling the new couch. Okay, we've got the old one out of the way now. It's time to start assembling the new one. To assemble it, you take the front trim piece and one of the armrests. In these two holes here, you put these Allen head bolts together to hold it in. So that's where we start. Okay, we've got it all assembled and started. Now we're going to run the two bolts up. Alright, that's this completely assembled. Now we've got to go get the back and base and see about getting it on. Okay, we've got the frame set in here. It's held in place by 4 Allen head bolts in each corner. Now we did have to loosen one end of the front to get the frame in like it should be, but you can tighten it up afterwards after you get the frame in. Okay, that's the frame assembled. Now we just got to get the cushions put on there and mount it to the floor. Okay, we've got the bottom cushion back on. It's just held in place by 4 nuts, 2 on each end. I've got all but this last one here run up. Get it run up and we'll go get the back one put on. These are the 2 studs that we was talking about on the base, but these are on the back. They go in these brackets right here. We pulled them apart to make it a little easier assembling this thing. Give us a second, we'll get it lined up and then we'll put it on for y'all. That has it reassembled. We're going to reuse the angle brackets that the original couch had. It may be different from your RV, but from here on out, it's a case-by-case basis. I'm reinstalling the factory seat mount, which is just a piece of angle here. I had to re-drill 2 holes where it lined up with the wood for the new one, but other than that, it's completely the same as it was when I took it out. Just gonna put it in the center, put some screws in it. Alright, that's the last screw holding it down. And all we got to do is put the dinette together and we'll be good to go. Okay, that's the dinette installed. It just velcros in, so we didn't film it. But that's the couch and the dinette installed. We like how it sits. It looks good. The only thing we got left, we're going to get a local upholstery shop to upholster the front seats to match. So that wraps this up. I hope you enjoyed the show. Like and subscribe and follow for more.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventurer.net for our blog and Amazon store.